Welcome. In a few seconds, we will ask you to agree to something. Please agree to it. If you agree, push the button with your hand. Well done. That's some real fine button pushing. Are you standing up or sitting down? Great. Let's get started. To turn, push the thumbstick left or right. Turn around now and push the green button behind you. Wow, you're really getting these buttons. To walk, push the thumbstick forward or back. Try walking to the new button. Hooray! Now turn around. To teleport long distances, start by holding the A or X button. Great! Now position the arc over the green target and release the button to move there. You've done this before, haven't you? You can also point at buttons. Point at this one and click the trigger. Amazing! Now turn around and press all 4 buttons. Wow, almost there. Now hold up both your hands so that you can see them. What's that on your wrists? It's a wrist menu. Look at it and click on the home button. You did it! Welcome to the Multiverse! Before we get going, why not check out the settings menu on your wrist panel? From here you can adjust height, movement and comfort options. Move forwards and reach for this space rocket. When it pulses, hold the grip button to grab it. Brilliant! Now point it somewhere sensible and release the grip button. Great! There's all sorts of objects to play with in Multiverse. Now, when you're ready, try teleporting through the door. To finish the tutorial, teleport through the door. You've arrived in safe mode. That means you can't hear other people and they can't hear you. If you ever need to take a breath, just use your wrist menu to toggle safe mode. When you're ready, use your wrist menu to turn it off and join in. Great! That concludes your intro to
Thanks.
Multiverse.
Oh!
Thanks for listening, and have fun!
Who?
Where'd you get these?
I don't know. I just... I'm gonna play Mario! You saw these sorts of cool movies?
For more than a decade, NASA's Cassini spacecraft explored the wonders of Saturn and its family of icy moons, taking us to astounding worlds, where methane rivers run to a methane sea. Blast material into space from a liquid water ocean that might harbor the ingredients for life. Speak greater than